Hello everyone. Namaste and Jai Gurudev to all of you. A very good evening and welcome to the third episode of the WOW series. And today we are very fortunate and blessed to have our guest as Prashant Bhaiya. Prashant Bhaiya is a very senior international art of living teacher. He has traveled the world over. He has traveled 40 countries and taught lakhs and lakhs of people the art of living program. He is an advanced level teacher. He teaches all the advanced level courses. He's the first blessing course teacher, and he's also my blessing course teacher. He's been my mentor all through my art of living journey. In all my difficult times, I've always fallen back to him. He's my brother, and every year I tie a Rakhi to him. And he's my most favorite person. And I'm very fortunate and happy to have him here. I must tell you that he's been with Guruji for 25 years. So he's celebrating his silver jubilee of being with Guruji, and it is so amazing to have him. Let's all welcome him with a clap.
Jai Gurudev. Jai Gurudev. It's wonderful to be here on this show.
We would like to also introduce our interviewer. Our interviewer is Priyatha Pillai. So Priyatha Pillai is a student of the Presidency School, lives in Bangalore. She is 10-year-old and she has done the Art of Living Intuition program. She's my student. She's a rock star in the Intuition program. Today she's even going to show us as a performance of all the things that she can do with her eyes closed. Priyatha's hobbies are many. She sings very well, she can dance, she reads, and she can do almost anything with her eyes closed. She has a cute brother that she loves to play with, and her favorite hobby is to play with her brother. And from a very young age, she's been a meditator. So one of her hobbies also is to meditate. So let's welcome Priyatha and wish her all the best for the show. So nice. So Swamiji, now Priyatha will be welcoming you with a small performance that she's going to do about the Intuition program. So she will be showing you some things.
Okay.
Shall we go ahead?
Yes, please.
I'm ready. Shall I put on my blindfold? I'll start.
So
yes, Priyatha.
Maybe I'll explain. So Swamiji, Prashant Bhaiya, she is going to wear a blindfold, and then she has a book which has all blank pages. You have to give her any page number between 1 and 48 because the book has 48 pages. And her mother will show us the pages. She will be coloring it blindfold with her eyes closed without seeing it. So you can give any number.
Okay. So the number is 20.
Priyatha, the number is 20. Are you wearing the blindfold? Yes. Wear it properly. Yes. If you don't see, wear it neatly. Yeah, very good. Priyatha's mother, can you show us the page number 20 in the screen?
Ma'am, 20 is already colored.
Oh, Bhaiya, another color page. Any page other?
26.
26. Okay. Please show us the page properly. Okay, that is the page. Everybody, all the audience, please watch the page carefully. And Priyatha will be coloring it with her eyes closed. She will be picking up the colors also with her eyes closed. Can you turn the camera so we can see her coloring the page also? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Maybe you need to move a little behind. Okay, yes. Priyatha has done this Art of Living Intuition program designed by Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar ji. In this program, children learn powerful pranayams and very deep meditation techniques, again given by Gurudev Sri Ravi Shankar ji. And they develop their sixth sense, their intuitive abilities, through which children can do a lot of amazing, wonderful things. The most important is they can tap with their inner source and connect with their own selves. They become more disciplined and they listen to their parents, they have more respect for elders, they start studying well, they have deeper concentration, they have good memory power. There are a lot of benefits of this program, and there are two levels of this program. The juniors is for 5 to 8 years and the seniors is for 8 to 18-year-olds. Priyatha has done the Art of Living Intuition process or the Prajna Yoga for seniors. And she's been practicing ever since. She does not miss her practice any single day. As you can see, she's coloring with her eyes closed. Can you turn the camera and even show us her eyes once? Very good, Priyada. Very nice. I can't even do that with my eyes open. I'm so bad at drawing and coloring. You're done?
This is the last color, ma'am.
Last color. Okay. She knows that. See, even with her eyes closed, she knows this is the last color. So we asked her, would you like to sing? Would you like to dance? How would you like to welcome Bhaiya? So Bhaiya, she said that she will do the intuition and she will want to show you because Guruji has blessed her with the power of intuition. We would like to tell everyone that we are also live on Facebook. And yesterday we had 500 viewers on Facebook. I'm sure today also we will have a lot of viewers on Facebook who are watching this show live. So let's welcome everyone who is watching the show live on Facebook also. Wow. Bhaiya, would you like to say something to her?
Wow, this is amazing. You know, all the colors are in place, everything is in place, and you did it so quickly. Very nice. Good, 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 good.
You.
You can open your eyes now. Would you also like to tell all the children a little bit about meditation before we start? Why they should do it?
It calms their mind, and if we have any tension, that relaxes us. That relaxes us very much.
So nice. Thank you, Priyata. Let's all clap for her. She did so well. Very good. So we're going to move on to the next section. In this section, Priyata will be giving you, Bhaiya, she will be giving you some sentences. It's called the wonder section. So she will give you the first 3-4 words and then you complete the sentence within 30 seconds. And then all the children will give you a score based on how you perform. And the score will be in the chat box.
Oh my God.
Over to Priyata.
I wonder why.
I wonder why I am so handsome.
I wonder when.
I wonder when I will meet Priyata in person.
I wonder how.
I wonder how God takes care of everyone.
And the last one is, I wonder if I can be a child again.
I am already a child.
Okay. We're done with the wonder section.
So you
Nice.
have to give him the score. You have to give him the score.
Out of 10?
Yes.
10 out of 10. He has answered it within 30 seconds.
So 10 out of 10?
Yes.
Oh, Bhaiya, you have got 10 out of 10 even on the chat. Some children are scoring you 10 out of 10. All the children and all the audience, you can put a score, please. We want to know.
I'm getting scared. My results are coming out.
So the next section here is going to be a few questions. The children will ask you questions about your childhood. So Priyata has drafted a few very nice questions. And this section she will be leading. So Priyata, over to you.
How was your childhood and what were you like?
I was very, very, very mischievous. I was very mischievous in class. Also, I would throw chalks at the teachers and fly planes behind their backs and have a lot of fun. So my school would get over at my school would get over at 3:30, and sometimes I will reach home at 5:30, 6 o'clock. I will be playing. You know, I will not reach home. On the way only, I will catch my friends and start playing with them.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies. I like to listen to music, especially songs, old Hindi film songs. I like that. And I like to eat different types of food. And I like meeting lots of people.
That's a nice thing.
Hmm.
As a child, what did you want to become and why?
As a child, it kept on changing from time to time. Sometimes I wanted to be an engine driver, then I wanted to be a pilot, then I wanted to be a doctor, and I became an engineer by study education. And now I'm teaching, which I never wanted to be.
I want to be a doctor. It's never changed.
Oh wow, very good, very good. Doctors are required now at this moment of time.
Which was your favorite story? Can you please share it with us?
My favorite story, actually, I had thought of a story to tell, but if I tell it now, then what will I tell later? Okay, I will tell now. So my favorite story, all of you would have heard, no? Bhakta Prahlad story.
Yes.
You know Bhakta Prahlad? He
My
was only
brother's
5.
name is Prahlad.
So he was only 5. He was only 5 year old, and he was so devoted to God. So whatever challenge was given to him, he said, "My God can fulfill all the challenges." He would say, "My Sri Hari." He would call God as Sri Hari. So he would say, "My Sri Hari will take care of everything." And his father, Hiranyakashipu, was ruling all the three worlds. So all the gods had run away from all the three worlds and they were hiding. And there was no person as powerful as his father. And his father wanted his child also, his son also, to praise his praise, But Bhakta Prahlad would not accept his father as the most powerful. He would always say that Sri Hari is more powerful than you also. And that would make his father very angry. So his father tried to, kill him many times. He threw him from the top of the hill, and Bhakta Prahlad came walking back. And then Holika was his aunt, Bhakta Prahlad's aunt, and she sat with Bhakta Prahlad on the fire, so that, and she was protected by a shawl, so that the child will die and she will not die. But what happened when they put the fire? A huge wind came away, and the shawl flew away, and the aunt died. And Bhakta Prahlad came out without being hurt at all. And he would always say, "My Sri Hari is taking care of me." And that is how we celebrate Holi. No? The festival of Holi comes from
Yes.
the name Holika. She was Bhakta Prahlad's aunt.
Oh,
So when Bhakta Prahlad was 5, and his father had a boon, he cannot be killed, outside the house and inside the house. It will not be daytime also and nighttime also, and he will be killed by a not a human being and not an animal also, and many conditions like this was there. So he thought, that this condition to be fulfilled, it's not possible, and that is why he will be saved. He will be immortal, isn't it? But
yes.
one day, his father challenged him, "Where is Sri Hari? I can't see him. You always talk about Sri Hari. If he's really powerful, show me where he is." So Bhakta Prahlad said, "He's here also." And the father asked, "Is he in the pillar?" So Bhakta Prahlad said, "Yes, he's in the pillar." So Bhakta Prahlad's father Hiranyakashipu, he took his mace and hit the pillar, and out came Narsimha. So he was neither man and he was neither animal. And it was evening time, so it was neither day and it was neither. So, uh, so Bhakta Prahlad's another condition was he should not be killed by uh, weapons. So,
Oh,
and he should not be killed outside and inside.
yes.
So Narsimha avatar, he carried Hiranyakashipu at the entrance of the door. So it was neither outside and it was neither inside. And then he killed him with the claws, which was not a weapon. So all the conditions which was there, this were fulfilled, and Bhakta Prahlad's father was killed. And then Sri Hari made Bhakta Prahlad the king, and it is said that Bhakta Prahlad ruled in that era, because he always was a devotee, that his rule was appreciated by everyone in the kingdom and outside the kingdom also. So that is my favorite story, all-time favorite story. So why it is my favorite story, I will share it little later.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you share one mischievous memory or prank from your childhood days?
Yeah, when we were in 9th standard or so, about 8-10 of us, we were about 30 in our class. So we all gathered. One teacher was there. He was just about 5-6 years. He was 21, 22. We were 14, 15-year-old boys. So he was on his table. He had given us some class work, and he was doing something sitting on the table. And all of us, we said, okay, let's go and gather around him. So we all gathered, 8-10 of us, we gathered around him, and we started asking him questions with our books and all that. And we created ruckus there, so he was not able to understand what was happening. And then we went from behind him, 2-3 of us, and we hit him on the head like this, tuck, 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 tuck. He said, oh, who's there, who's there, who's there? So by the time he could recognize, 5-6 of us had already hit him, and he behaved as if nothing happened. So that was one mischief we did in school.
If you could bring back something from your childhood, what would it be?
Bring back from my childhood. It's very difficult because almost my school friends are friends with me now also. We meet every 3-4 months, so they're already there. My friends where I stay, they're also in touch with me. They're still friends, and I meet them. So that is the best time. Spending time with your friends is the best time. And most importantly, almost all my teachers, I'm connected with them on Facebook also. So one teacher just died about 15 days ago, but all the other teachers, I'm friends with them on Facebook, so I'm connected with them. Yeah, my parents, I would like to bring back from my childhood. They are not with me now, so I would like to bring them back now.
That is such a nice thing, no? Parents are so precious. All the children, I'm sure you all love your parents. You should listen to them. When you're grown, when you don't have parents, how you feel? You really want to bring them back. Nice. You should clap. So nice.
How and when did you meet Gurudev?
I met Gurudev in September 1993. So it will be 27 years in September, in 3-4 months. And how I met, he was visiting Bombay. I had already done my happiness program about 8 or 9 months before. So one of my friends, Baba, if you know him, he said, Guruji is coming, why don't you come and meet him? So I said, okay, I will come and meet him. So there was a happiness program he came to. Nowadays he comes for satsang. He doesn't even come for advanced course. So in those days he would come for happiness program and give a special session there. So he came for the happiness program. I also was there, and that is how I met him. And he kept on looking me first time when he saw me, and I kept on looking at him. So I was a little scared. Why is he looking at me again and again? But that was how the first meeting happened.
Please share one of your magical experiences with Gurudev.
Magical experiences. My first experience only, that evening, first time I met Guruji, that first evening itself was a magical experience. Because, there was a satsang, and satsang is question answers. People were asking questions. Nowadays, only Nakul Bhaiya or someone reads the question. No, in those days, satsang was small. Anyone could stand up and ask their questions to Guruji. So Guruji was answering questions, and then I had one question as a child, and nobody gave me that answer to that question. And after Guruji answered all those few questions, I felt Guruji can answer that question to me. So I was thinking, now I will ask, and now I will ask. And suddenly I realized that Guruji was giving me the answer without me asking the question. And then when he finished the answer, he looked at me and he said, "Did you understand?" So I was like shocked. How did he know my question? I didn't even ask him. And he gave me the answer, and he knew that I wanted to ask this question. So he looked at me and he said, "Did you understand?" So I was a little scared when he, did this to me first time, But after that, I became more and more comfortable when he started reading my mind. It's like all you kids, no? You can read my mind and read other people's mind in your intuition. So
He also has intuition.
Yeah, he also has intuition.
Nice. Do you do Kriya every day? Why do you do Kriya every day?
You tell me, do I do it every day?
Yes.
I do it every day. Okay. Yeah, it makes me feel happy. It makes me feel. I don't do Kriya every day, but I do some sadhana every day. I like to do more meditation than Kriya. But once in like 3-4 times a week, I do Kriya. And meditation I do every day, 4-5 times. Why? Because Guruji said, you should meditate more than doing Kriya. So that is why I do more meditation compared to Kriya. But it makes me feel fresh, it makes me feel energetic, it makes me feel joyful. And most importantly, after doing my Kriya, I lose all my fears and insecurities. Then I'm not scared of anything.
That's the magic of Kriya.
Yeah.
In yesterday's episode of Wow, Swami Vaishampai Ji was our special guest. And he told us that you were a part of Vishalakshi Mandap construction team. Please would you share the experience of building the monumental meditation hall?
Oh, it was one of the most difficult things I've done in my life. And working with Guruji, it's not sometimes easy. He will tell you one thing today, and then he will say, no, you don't do this. Who told you to do this? And then he will change his plan, and again, whatever you have made, you have to break it down. And then again, you have to make a new thing. And then he will say, what did you do? Who told you to do this? Then again, we'll break it, and again, we will make it. So our original plan was to finish the construction in 1 year. And we took 3 years and 5 months to finish it. So it was like we would make something and break it, and then make something and break it. And then Guruji will scold us also. Why did you do this? And why did you do that? And like, you cannot tell to Guruji, that you only told us. So you have to keep quiet. How can you tell all those things to Guruji that Guruji, you only told us? So you have to take all the blame. Yes. But then, when the construction got over, Guruji said, all this was your training. So I was wondering what was my training. So that is what, after making the Vishalakshi Mandap, I realized that I became very calm. When people do funny things around you, they tell you some things and then they say, I didn't tell you. Guruji has already given you that experience. Isn't it? So all that what the world does to you, Guruji did to me in the Vishalakshi Mandap. So it was like for him, Vishalakshi Mandap is coming up, but he's also training me and my team there, so that we also become strong and are ready to face challenges of the world.
The last question is, how to smile all the time, especially when parents scold us or we have a fight with our close friends?
So I didn't understand the question. How do
we smile all the time, especially when parents scold us or we fight with our close friends?
See, when you smile, how is your mind? Relaxed or disturbed?
Relaxed.
Relaxed. When you smile, how is your body? Energetic or tired?
Energetic.
Energetic. So now if your parents have scolded you, or if you have fought with your friends, you want to correct that situation, right?
Yes.
So how will you be able to correct it better? With a sad face or with a smiling face?
Smiling face.
Isn't it? When you smile, you are more relaxed and you're more energetic, and that energy will help you solve the problem better, isn't it?
Yes.
So even if you don't want to smile, you have to smile, isn't it?
Makes us
So
relaxed.
Guruji says, make it till you fake it. So oh sorry, I spoke the opposite thing. Fake it till you make it. So even if it is not a genuine smile, fake it till that time, because that will help to correct the situation better.
Yes.
Is my voice very gentle, or I should be little louder?
No, it's
Yeah,
right.
a lot of people are saying that you can be a little louder. They're not able to hear you that well.
Okay, now it is better.
You can everyone put it in the chat if you can hear him, or just show him a thumbs up if you're able to hear him.
Is it better
I'm
now?
able to hear.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
So all your questions are over, Priyata.
Yes, ma'am.
You satisfied with all the answers?
Yes, really satisfied.
Such lovely questions you had. Now the next section on the show is a rapid fire round. You know the drill. The Priyata is going to give you some words, and you get 3 seconds to say the first word that comes to your mind when she says the word.
Only one word or sentence?
One word.
One
So,
word.
for example, if I say Prashant Bhaiya, what is the first word that comes to your mind?
Smile.
Like that. So she's going to give you back-to-back words, and then in 3 seconds you have to say the word, and then all the children will score you. All the audience will score you out of 10.
Okay. Okay. Another test I have to give now.
Okay, I'll start.
Yeah, Priyata.
Toys.
Fun.
India.
Great.
Sky.
Cry.
Sky.
Sky.
Yes.
Vast.
Sun.
Always giving.
Water.
Cold.
Moon.
What did you
Moon.
say?
Moon.
Moon. Gentle.
Birthday.
Happy.
Junk food.
Never.
Game.
Play.
Movie.
Sorry?
Movie.
Enjoy.
Parents.
Loving.
Family.
Caring.
Friends.
Supporting.
Ashram.
Nurturing.
Home.
Hmm?
Home.
Home. Comforting.
Masti.
Always.
Temple.
Worship.
Sleep.
Healing.
Money.
Useful.
Holiday.
Relaxing.
Concentration.
Studies.
Intuition.
Kids.
Exams.
Challenging.
Mistake.
What is the last word?
Mistake.
Mistake. Free. Not free. Okay. Mistake you can do sometimes.
Gift.
Life.
Prayer.
Heart.
Beauty.
Eyes.
Brave.
Brave.
Yes.
Brave. You are brave. You.
Love.
Everyone.
Festival.
Celebrate.
Happiness.
Share.
Children.
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 Yeah, children. Uh, God.
Magic.
Happens.
Life.
Fun.
Gurudev.
Dear. Dearest.
God.
God. Nurturing.
Wonder.
Wonder. Life.
That's it.
Time to
That
give
was.
scores.
The answers were very nice, so I'll give 10 out of 10.
Okay.
You can also check the chat section for all the everybody. Almost everyone is giving you 10, 9. One has given you 11. Somebody's given you 11 out of 10.
Okay, so it covers up for the 9, no?
So your score is going to be all in all. The next section is the most interesting section for which many viewers come every day. It is the challenge section. It's a two-way challenge. First, Priyata will give you a challenge and the audience also will be doing that challenge. And she will tell you the rules of the challenge. After you complete the challenge, you can give a challenge to all the audience and Priyata. So Priyata.
Okay. Okay.
I have a riddle. It's based on chemistry. What is the chemical formula of banana?
Barium, sodium, sodium.
No, it's a funny answer.
Oh.
So that all of you know, Prashant Bhaiya is a chemical engineer from IIT Bombay.
So what is the funny answer? Yeah, I give up.
The answer is BaNa2.
BaNa2. Oh, yeah.
That's what you said. Na2 is sodium, no?
BaNa, I said no. It doesn't matter.
Then I have a tongue twister for you.
Okay.
It's a tricky tongue twister. If you understand, say understand. If you don't understand, say don't understand. But if you understand and say don't understand, how will I understand that you understand? Understand?
Oh my God, that is too much. If you understand,
I'll give you 3 chances.
If you understand, then you say understand. If you don't understand, then say don't understand. If you understand but don't understand, then how will I know that you understand? Understand?
There was a mistake in between.
How will I understand that you understand? Understand?
Yes.
Correct, no?
Yeah. Can you try telling it faster?
Oh my God, that is the challenge. If you understand, then you say understand. If you don't understand, then say don't understand. If you understand, if you don't understand and say understand, then how will I understand that you understand?
Yes. It's my favorite tongue twister.
But I still made a mistake, no? Oh, electricity is gone.
No problem. You want to give him the score? I think he did so well.
Yeah. 10 on 10.
Now Prashant Bhaiya will be giving all of us a challenge. So all the audience, get ready.
So this is a very simple tongue twister. In 15 seconds flat, you have to tell it 10 times. Okay, and what is the tongue twister? Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. In 15 seconds, you have to tell it 10 times. And if you make a mistake, then you have to start again. Okay. So your time
Okay.
starts now.
Kacha
One.
Pakat. It's getting harder because I need to
Four,
think faster.
5,
Kacha Pakat.
6,
Kacha Papat. Pakka
7,
Papat. Kacha Papat.
8,
Pakka Papat. Kacha
9,
Papat. Pakka Papat.
10,
Kacha Papat.
11,
Kacha Papat.
12,
Pakka Papat. Kacha Papat.
13,
Pakka Papat.
14,
Pakka Papat.
50.
I tell 7 times.
Hmm. So how many of us could do it?
All of you who could do it, just put it on the chat that you could do it.
See, the trick for this tongue twister is you have to be very calm in the mind. Kacha papad, pakka papad. 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 I did it in 13.
Wow.
In 13 seconds, I did it.
Nice.
So this, I think everyone can practice, Bhaiya. When you come on our show, they will all do it.
Yes, yes.
I have another challenge for you.
Oh my God, so many challenges.
The challenge is in Utkarsh Yoga, Hetal Didi had taught a clap, like high five clap. It's like this. And give a high five, high five, high five, and then like this. So yeah, the challenge is you should make a clap, a different variety of clap.
I should make a different variety of clap.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your own clap.
So 1, 2, 3. You have done this clap? No. Suppose there is a friend in front of you. 1, then 2, and then in that same action 3. That friend also goes like this, and you also. That friend's hand comes like this down, and your hand also comes down, and then you do another one like this. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
1, 2. No, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Nice.
So the challenge section also is over here now. Any audience has any questions? And now we will let the audience ask us questions if at all they have any. And then we will move to the conclusion of the show. Any audience has questions? Let's just go through the chat once. Okay, somebody has asked, what is your age?
Can you guess? All the intuition kids, can you guess?
I know, but I can't tell.
57. Oh my God. Somebody said 57. Somebody says around 40. Anyone else? 43. Somebody saying 51, 45, 44, 45, 52. New answer. 69. 47. Yes, somebody wrote 47. Who wrote 47? Who wrote 47?
Adya and Bibi.
No, 47. Deepali, but no.
Many people have written 47. So many are there.
Pratiksha. So many people, yeah. Okay.
So that was
47.
one question from the audience. There are no more questions, and the interview is also over. The challenge is also over. Now we would like to thank you for coming to the show. Priyata has made a very beautiful card that she will want to show you. From all the children and all of us on the show, our entire backend team, we want to give you this.
Thank you.
And we are really, really honored, and we are really, really happy that you came here and blessed all the children. And we would just like you to conclude the program with giving all the children an advice that they should follow. One thing that you want to tell children, what should they do?
So I told you my favorite story, So what was that favorite story about Bhakta Prahlad? Bhakta Prahlad's, the moral of the story is always have faith on God. No matter what challenges you face in life, have faith that God will take care of everything. Isn't it? For him, God took care of him, everything for him. No, that is why it is my favorite story. So even if I face challenges sometimes in my life, I remember Bhakta Prahlad and I remember God, Guruji, whatever, and I know I will be taken care of.
Wow, that is indeed a wonderful message for all the children. God is always watching you and God is taking care of you. So, Bhaiya, tomorrow we have Kashi Bhaiya coming to our program. Would you like to tell the children why they should attend this program and why they should tell their friends to come and attend it?
See, Kashi Bhaiya is a very, very, very old friend of mine. And we know each other even before doing Art of Living course. He's so old. Okay, such an old friend of mine. We were together in IIT and he's so full of fun. He's our first Sayam course teacher, and he's like me. He has also been to many, many countries, and he has studied so much in the scriptures, the Yoga Sutra, and Vigyan Bhairava, and so many other things. And he knows chanting also very well. So he's such an amazing person, and he has such, he connects so well with the teachers. He's so full of fun. He will make you laugh and laugh and laugh tomorrow. That one thing is guaranteed.
So that one thing I think everyone will want to come for. Everybody wants to laugh. Such a serious lockdown situation. People are in their houses. I think for that one thing, everybody will come. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. We have a short video that we want to show. So Aditya, if you're ready, can you show the video? Aditya, you also have to show us Prashant Bhaiya's video.
Just a minute.
So everyone, that was Kashi Bhaiya's introduction. He's the one who's coming tomorrow. So please come watch the show. And in the meantime, let's thank Prashant Bhaiya for taking such a lot of time out for all of us. He's almost spent 45 minutes on the show and he's come and blessed us. We are so humbled, so grateful that you came. And we are very, very thankful that you blessed all the children.
Yeah, it was fun for me also coming back to all of you. I was remembering all my time as a child, and it was nice to connect with you, have fun with you. And this is not the first time I'm coming. I'm going to come again and again and have a lot of fun with you.
Priyata, should we call him again?
Yes, sure. Even I had lots of fun.
So okay. So wish you all the best and lots of blessings for all of you. So, may you grow and may you become very intelligent and achieve all your goals.
Thank you
so these are my wishes and prayers, and these are Gurudev's blessings for all of you.
Thank you so much. Thank you again. And all the people on the chat are also thanking you. They've really enjoyed the show very much. A small video about you. today's wow episode for all of you. Stay in wonder, stay amazed, and stay blessed. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Take care of everyone. Let's do the prayer before we end the show. So we do Guru Brahma to end the show. We'll chant with Bhaiya.
So let us close our eyes and fold our hands. Join our hands. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Is it okay if we do a group photo with you?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, everyone, onto your cameras, come close. And whatever you felt about the session, you can show it to us in your expression. If you want to do this, you want to do this, or a heart, whatever you want to say about the session. Okay. Aditya, you're taking the picture? But yeah, I have to flip few screens because there are many people on the show.
Yes, yes, I will wait.
Oh my God, everybody's doing heart and thumbs up. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Bhaiya.
Okay.
Small picture for all of you. I drew it.
Okay, she's drawn something. What is that? Oh,
The Art of Living. Wow, very nice.
so
Very nice.
with this lovely picture, we say good night to everybody and lots of love till we meet again tomorrow. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev. Good night. Good
Good
night.
night.
Bye.
Bye.